Hello everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Peter Channel, where learning English is easy, natural, and fun. I'm Peter.
And I'm Lily. Hello, Peter. Hello, everyone watching today. How are you feeling, Peter?
I feel amazing, Lily. I had a great morning, a good cup of coffee, and I'm excited to talk about our topic today. And you?
I'm feeling great too. A little tired, but very happy. Today's topic is something many people struggle with, including me.
Oh yes, me too. And the word is procrastination.
A long and difficult word. Procrastination.
Yes, even saying the word feels like work.
So true. But Peter, how would you describe procrastination?
Well, procrastination is when you know you need to do something, but you delay it, you wait, you push it to later.
Ah, yes, like when I need to wash the dishes. But instead, I sit down and scroll on my phone for 20 minutes.
Exactly. Or when a student needs to study English vocabulary, but instead watches funny videos.
Oh, Peter, that is me every night.
Same. So don't worry, we all do it.
But why does it happen? Why do our brains tell us to avoid the things we need to do?
Good question. I think our brain loves pleasure. Something easy, something fun.
Yes, the brain says, do the thing that feels good now.
Exactly. It wants instant happiness.
And studying English, well, it's helpful and important, but not always instantly fun.
Right. It takes energy, it takes focus, and sometimes learning a new language can make you feel uncomfortable.
Yes, when you're learning English, you make mistakes. You forget words. You say things wrong.
And our brain hates that uncomfortable feeling.
So instead of learning, it tries to protect us.
It whispers, hey, how about we do something easier? Maybe check social media, watch a short video.
Or eat a snack.
Haha, yes.
But Peter, I think procrastination is not only about being lazy.
I agree. Many people think procrastinators are lazy, but that's not true.
Sometimes it's fear.
Fear of failing. Fear of not being good enough.
Fear of making mistakes in English.
Yes. And sometimes it's perfectionism.
Oh yes, many people say, I want to study English perfectly, with full focus, for 1 hour, so I will wait until later.
And later becomes tomorrow.
And tomorrow becomes next week.
And suddenly, 1 month has passed.
Exactly. So true.
So today, Lily and I want to talk about how to fight procrastination, especially for English learners.
Yes, we want to help you understand your brain and help you take action, even small action.
Because small steps are powerful.
So true. Even a tiny step today is better than waiting for a perfect step tomorrow.
Perfect. So let's share our first tip.
Tip number 1, make it super small.
Super small?
Yes, don't say, I will study English for 1 hour.
That sounds big and heavy.
It scares the brain.
The brain says, no thanks.
But if you say, I will study for 5 minutes,
The brain says, okay, that's easy.
anyone can do 5 minutes.
Yes. And when you start with 5 minutes, something magic happens.
You often continue longer.
Exactly. Starting is the hard part. But once you start, your brain says, this isn't so bad.
And suddenly, 5 minutes becomes 10
Or 15.
or more.
But even if it stays just 5 minutes, that's fine. You still win.
Where you can direct a voice, create realistic dialogue, and so much more. Edit these placeholders to get started.
Yes, You built the habit. You kept the momentum.
That's more important than studying for a long time once a week.
Exactly. Consistency beats intensity.
Beautiful sentence, Lily. I love that.
Thank you.
So, our second tip is make it fun.
Oh, yes. When learning English feels fun, your brain becomes happy.
You don't have to sit with a boring grammar book every day.
You can watch English movies, YouTube videos, or TikTok clips.
You can listen to English songs and read lyrics.
You can talk to yourself in English.
I do that all the time. I talk to myself like a crazy person.
That's not crazy. That's smart.
Or play games in English.
Or change your phone language to English.
Yes, a very powerful but simple trick.
Because when something is fun, you don't procrastinate.
You actually look forward to it.
And that changes everything.
All right, Lily, that brings us to tip number 3. Make a plan.
Yes, a simple, clear plan. Not something complicated that makes you stressed.
Right. Your plan doesn't need to look like a school schedule.
Not at all. It can be something like, every morning after breakfast, I study English for 10 minutes.
And the key is choosing a time that works for you.
Yes, a time that fits into your daily routine naturally.
When something becomes part of your routine, procrastination gets weaker.
Exactly. Because you don't think about it, you just do it.
Like brushing your teeth.
Yes. You don't wake up and think, should I brush my teeth today?
You just do it automatically.
And English can become the same.
And I think planning what you will study helps too.
Yes. If you sit down and don't know what to do, the brain panics.
And then you start doing nothing.
Or everything except studying.
But if you already know, Monday, vocabulary, Tuesday, listening, Wednesday, conversation practice, your brain feels safe.
No surprises, no stress.
Just action.
And now, tip number 4. Create a study space.
Oh yes. This one changed my life, actually.
Really? Tell us, Peter.
Well, years ago, I used to study anywhere. On the bed, on the couch, at the coffee table.
Same. But then I created a small corner just for studying.
One chair, one desk. Nothing fancy.
And it made a big difference?
A huge difference. Every time I sat in that chair, my brain said, okay, focus time.
So the place trains your brain.
Exactly. Environment shapes behavior.
I heard a quote once that, don't work where you relax, and don't relax where you work.
I love that, and it's so true.
So, if you study English on your bed, your brain says, sleep, sleep, sleep.
And if you study on the couch, the brain says, let's watch TV.
So, having a special English learning spot is powerful.
Even a tiny corner with a chair is enough.
And your phone should be far away.
Very far away.
Like in another room.
Yes, phones are the #1 reason for procrastination.
They steal our attention without permission.
So put it away, or at least turn off notifications.
That helps a lot.
And now we reach a very important tip.
Tip number 5, be kind to yourself.
Yes, this one is my favorite.
Because many learners feel guilty when they procrastinate.
And guilt never helps.
It only makes you feel worse and want to avoid English even more.
But when you are kind to yourself, you say, it's okay, I will try again tomorrow.
And tomorrow, you do a little.
Maybe 5 minutes.
And those 5 minutes slowly rebuild your confidence.
Learning a language is a marathon, not a sprint.
Yes, there are easy days and hard days, and both are normal.
The important thing is consistency, not perfection.
Exactly. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to keep going.
And if you take one tiny step each day, you will surprise yourself after a few months.
Yes, you'll look back and say, wow, I improved so much.
And all because of small, steady steps.
Speaking of improvement, Peter, do you remember your first time learning another language?
Oh, absolutely. And I was terrible.
Really? You terrible?
Yes, I couldn't say simple sentences. I froze when people asked me questions.
Same here. I remember being embarrassed so many times.
And that embarrassment made me procrastinate.
Me too. I avoided studying because I didn't want to feel stupid.
But later, I realized something important.
What is it?
Mistakes are not a sign of failure. They are a sign of learning.
That is so true.
When you make a mistake, your brain says, "Oh, now I understand."
Without mistakes, there is no growth.
Exactly.
So learners should celebrate mistakes.
Yes, every mistake is proof that you are trying.
And trying is what kills procrastination.
Beautifully said.
Thank you. So, Peter, what about rewards?
Oh, yes. Rewards are powerful tools.
When you finish your 5-minute study session, give yourself something small.
A cup of tea.
A piece of chocolate.
A funny video.
A short break.
Rewards make your brain happy.
The brain starts to connect English with positive feelings.
And then it becomes easier to study next time.
Exactly.
And what about studying when you're tired?
Great question.
Because many learners work all day and feel exhausted at night.
Yes, and on those days, it's okay to do less.
Even one word is enough.
1 sentence, 1 minute.
You just need to keep the habit alive.
Yes, when the habit stays alive, momentum stays alive.
And momentum is your best friend.
Once you lose momentum, starting again becomes difficult.
But small actions every day keep the engine running.
Exactly.
So to summarize our tips today.
1. Make it small.
2. Make it fun.
3. Make a plan.
4. Create a study space.
5. Be kind to yourself.
These simple steps can transform your English learning journey.
And can help you fight procrastination for good.
We hope you feel encouraged, motivated, and ready to take action.
Yes. And remember, you only need to start with 5 minutes.
Just 5 minutes today can change your future.
Thank you so much for joining us on Mr. Peter Channel.
Please subscribe, like the video, and share it with your friends.
And tell us in the comments, what small English action will you do today?
We can't wait to read your answers.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.